Hi everybody, Mike Cutlip here in Massachusetts, and I am going to show you quickly how to make a post to the RealtorTech.org blog. Of course, first thing you have to do is get to RealtorTech.org by going there, and once you are there, you'll see the nifty header up at the top. And the first thing to do before making a post is to log in. And if you haven't logged in already, you're going to need to create an account, and you do that by going down here to the register button. And see, it's registered for this site. So you choose a username. You can choose whatever username you want. It doesn't have to be anything in particular. And then you just type in your email address. And once you click register, the site is going to generate a password for you and send it to that address. It's just going to be a random set of letters and numbers, but that's okay. We can change that later. So I already have done this, and I've got my username and my randomly generated password. So I'm going to punch in my username. It's test guy. Paste in my password, and then log in. If we're logged in, we're going to go to what's called the WordPress Dashboard, and you can do various things from here. The first thing that we're going to do is edit our profile. So we click on profile, and we can change our name. We can change our username, real name, first to last, nickname, change how our name is displayed. We can add additional contact information, change our email address. We can add our website, put in our instant message usernames if we want. Down here, update your password. This is probably what most people are going to want to do because randomly generated passwords aren't very memorable. So you punch in whatever you want, type it one more time to make sure it's correct, and then go over here to update profile, and once you click on that, you'll save everything. I don't need to do that now though, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the right section. In this right section, you push to everything for posting. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to title our post, and we will call it, I'm going to move our screen over a bit, this is our first post. That's fantastic. So we'll go down here to the posting editor. This is what's called a WYSIWYG Editor. Just stands for what you see is what you get, and usually that's the case. So we'll say this is our content. Aren't we awesome? Yes, we are. Okay. So, several options in our WYSIWYG editor. We can do things like make text bold. So we'll make this bold. We can italicize text. We'll make this italicized. We can strike through the word content, and we can change that for post. Oh, there we go. We can add bulleted lists, numbered lists, change the indentation of those lists. We can do various alignments, left, center, and right justified. If we have an image hosted somewhere that we want to embed in our post, we can click this and we'll get various options for doing that. This is our advanced editing toolbar. If we click on this, there are additional options down here. We can underline text with the underline button. This is to justify our text to both the left and right side, so it will basically edit the spacing between the words so that everything is lined up on both the left and right side of the post. We can also add color. We can change the font color to red because being awesome is awesome, and it should be red. And we can add special characters like the registered trademark symbol and other things using this button. So a couple of quick tips I want to point out. Let's say that we have a really long post and we don't want the entirety of that post to appear all on the RealtorTech.org homepage in one big post. We want to say have a summary at top, and then we want to have the full text on a separate page. Well, that's pretty easy to do. So let's pretend we've got, this is our content, aren't we awesome? This is our summary. Alright, that's our summary, and then this is the rest of our post. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to repaste it several times. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So now, this is all of our content. This is our summary, so we split these. It's pretty easy. You just place the cursor where you want to split your post between the summary, say, and the rest of it. And we go to this button here, which is split post with a more tag. And when you click on that, it'll insert a line. And now to the right of that line is a little button here that says more. And what's going to happen is when we actually publish this, there's going to be a link that says continue reading, and when they click that continue reading, it's going to take them to the full text of their article. So a couple more things we want to do before we actually post our article. Tags. This is pretty important. Tags are a way to categorize the posts within the site so that they're easily searchable later, so that you don't have to go through an entire section once you've got a couple hundred posts in there and try to find the exact one that you're looking for. So use tags to describe however you want. So this is a how-to article. So we'll say how-to, and it's about posting, and it has a video tutorial, and yeah, that should do for now. So we've got our tags. Then next thing we're going to do is choose a category, and these are the various categories that have been created right now. We can create additional categories later if we need them, but this isn't about databases. We won't choose that. It's general, I'd say, and this is a video that we're creating, so we'll choose video, and the rest we'll leave alone. Discussion, we want to allow commenting, allow pings. We don't want to make this a password protected post, so we'll just leave that alone. And the last thing we want to do is go down here. These are three options for saving the post. Save and continue editing will save it into your account and allow you to keep working on it. If you just click save, it's going to save it into your account so that you can then come back to it later and work on it. It'll basically take you back to the dashboard, and then this button here is what we're going to do. This is publish it live to the blog right now. So as soon as we click publish, our browser churn for a second, and then we'll see this post saved. View the post, and I'm going to actually just go to the entire site, RealtorTech.org. I'm going to view the site up here. Click that link, and here is our first post. This is our content. Aren't we awesome? This is our summary, and then here's that link that was created by splitting our post with the more tag. So when we click on continue reading, it takes us to a separate page where we have the full text of our post all on one page. And people can leave replies, which show up as comments, and tell you how great your post is and how eloquent and what an excellent typist and author you are. And they can leave comments from this page as well. So I encourage everyone to make a post. If you have any questions about this, you can post in the newly created forum, which you get to by this link up here called forum. And the forum is just another way that we can all collaborate and post questions and get answers, and generally make our relationships more valuable. So that is all I have. If you have any questions, post it in the forum, or you can email me at mcutlip@marealtor.com. Thanks much, everybody.